Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Smart Plug, complete guide step by step clearly. First, unpack your Amazon Smart Plug from its packaging. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection available. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in with your Amazon account credentials. On the home screen, tap on the devices icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices section, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Add Device from the list of options. Choose Plug from the list of device types. Select Amazon as the brand of the plug. The app will prompt you to plug the smart plug into a wall outlet. After plugging it in, wait until the light on the plug starts flashing orange. This indicates that the plug is in setup mode. Return to the Alexa app and tap Next. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the smart plug to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure that you enter the correct Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, the app will confirm the successful setup of the smart plug. You can now rename the smart plug to something easily recognizable. Tap on Continue to complete the setup process. You can now create routines or enable voice control for the smart plug through Alexa. Test your smart plug by using voice commands or through the app to turn it on or off. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your Amazon Smart Plug. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.